Good morning, everyone. Today we will take up the chapter 1 Nature and Significance of the Management and topic Management as a Profession for the case study discussion. Okay, so we will start the case study with one golden rule, that is first read what is being asked in the question. कि पहले question में पूछा क्या है, we should read that, then we should go for the case. Okay, because it will click our mind that question is from which topic or from which chapter. So let's read the question first. In the context of above, can Sanjay be deployed at the post of assistant manager in the sales and marketing division, though he hasn't acquired any professional degree in the management? क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है कि क्या संजय को असिस्टेंट मैनेजर की पोस्ट पे डिप्लॉय किया जा सकता है जबकि उसके पास कोई प्रोफेशनल डिग्री नहीं है. एक्सप्लेन बाय गिविंग सुटेबल जस्टिफिकेशन इन सपोर्ट ऑफ योर आंसर. अब देखो बेटा, बिना केस स्टडी पढ़े ही हमारा दिमाग क्लिक कर गया कि क्या संजय को हम असिस्टेंट मैनेजर अपॉइंट कर सकते हैं बिना उसकी किसी प्रोफेशनल डिग्री को चेक किए. Yes or no? Let's check out. Ajay and Sanjay are childhood friends. They meet after a long time in a restaurant. On being asked, Sanjay tells Ajay that he feels very unhappy in managing his family business as it doesn't match with his area of interest. Ajay knows that Sanjay possesses extraordinary skills in the management, although he hasn't acquired any professional degree in management. Therefore, he asks Sanjay to wind up his business in India and join him in his hotel business in Dubai as an assistant manager in sales and marketing division. So, case study is very simple. हमें बताना है कि संजय को बिना किसी प्रोफेशनल डिग्री एक्वायर किए क्या असिस्टेंट मैनेजर अपॉइंट किया जा सकता है. सो इज़ देयर, अगर हम अपना माइंड अपने चैप्टर्स की तरफ क्लिक करें, किसी भी चैप्टर में वी वर नॉट हैविंग एनी सच यू कैन से कंडीशन कि मैनेजर बनने के लिए कौन सी प्रेस्क्राइब्ड क्वालिफिकेशन है या कौन सी प्रोफेशनल डिग्री होनी चाहिए. तो यहाँ से सोचते हुए हमारा दिमाग कहाँ पहुँचा है, मैनेजमेंट एज अ प्रोफेशन पे. सो लेट्स चेक आउट द आंसर. येस, Sanjay can be deployed at the post of assistant manager, though he hasn't acquired any professional degree in management because management is not considered to be full-fledged profession because of the following reasons. तो हमारा किस टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन था, मैनेजमेंट एज अ प्रोफेशन. सो which point, which feature of profession indicates that anyone can become a manager is restricted entry, that in all the professions entry is restricted through any of the examination, but in case of management there is no such condition. Anyone with the required skills or with some efficiencies tax can become a manager regardless of their qualification. Then second is professional associations, that in case of all the professions professionals have to become the members of concerned professional associations, but that is not in case of management. No doubt there are certain management associations, but their membership is not mandatory because these associations are not having any statutory backing. So we can conclude upon that this case study was from the topic management as a profession, and points which were discussed in the question were restricted entry and professional associations, that there is no restriction on the entry of anyone to become a manager, and moreover there is no such condition of professional associations. Thank you very much.